When we evaluate the absolute pinnacle of automotive prestige, true luxury isn't found on a mass-production assembly line. It is born when an iconic heritage manufacturer pushes past its own technical boundaries. Today on Vision Effect TV, we are decoding a defining chapter in British coach-building history, the global unveiling of the all-new Morgan Midsummer Coupé. This is far more than just a beautiful new model variant. It is a highly calculated, elite showcase of the rapidly expanding design, engineering, and manufacturing capabilities at Morgan's historic Pickersleigh Road facility. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ava, and as the core digital brand face of Vision Effect TV, we are looking directly past the generalized marketing campaigns to conduct a strict, analytical breakdown of this magnificent platform. Merging traditional handcraft with contemporary engineering, this ultra-rare fixed-head masterpiece stands as one of the most ambitious projects Morgan has ever executed. Let's look at the data. To truly appreciate this intensive development cycle, you must analyze its commanding physical presence. The Midsummer Coupé naturally evolves the brand's signature silhouette in an exclusive collaboration with the legendary Italian design house Pininfarina, flawlessly striking the balance between classic pre-war proportions and a more resolved, high-tension grand touring character. The exterior architecture showcases beautifully hand-formed aluminum body panels, shaped using traditional English wool techniques before being verified by highly advanced digital scanning and measurement systems. Every detail has been mathematically optimized to create a cohesive whole. The roof itself is effectively an expansive, full glass canopy split by a central stainless steel spine that creates a striking visual thread running the entire length of the car. But this roof was never conceived as a purely stylistic addition. By bonding the structural glazing directly into a network of billet-machined aluminium A-pillars and a countersunk riveted framework, the roof directly increases the entire vehicle's torsional stiffness. The result? A highly integrated architecture that provides year-round usability and high-speed touring stability, while adding a mere 2.5% of weight compared to a standard hardtop platform. Step inside the fixed-head cabin, and the intensive coach-building process reveals its true masterpiece, an interior that feels immensely tactile and flooded with natural light. The layout completely rejects cold, distracting digital screens, opting instead to celebrate natural materials and structural artistry. The entire cockpit is wrapped in an intricate shoulder line constructed from hundreds of individual layers of sustainably sourced teak wood, with each delicate layer measuring no more than 0.6 millimeters thick. Morgan's craftspeople spent dozens of hours hand-laminating these wooden sections together to guarantee maximum durability. This organic elegance is paired with brilliant architectural details, including window switches mounted into the upper roof structure, an aluminium gear selector with a matching teak inlay, and an invisible surround sound system custom-engineered by Sennheiser to deliver an unrivaled, hyper-isolated sensory experience. Underneath this meticulously sculpted, Art Deco exterior framework lies Morgan's absolute high-performance crown jewel, the latest generation CXV bonded aluminum chassis. This architecture isn't just light, it is a masterclass in structural rigidity and weight distribution, providing the absolute ideal mechanical canvas for a purist driving tool. Powering this exclusive grand tourer is a hyper-potent, BMW-sourced 3.0-liter twin-scroll turbocharged inline straight-six engine, generating a fierce, unrelenting 335 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque. This explosive energy is sent directly to the rear wheels via an ultra-smooth, lightning-fast 8-speed automatic transmission, calibrated specifically to match the unique weight dynamics of this platform. Because the entire machine weighs just barely over 1,000 kilograms, this powertrain provides a devastatingly efficient power-to-weight ratio, allowing for effortless, neck-snapping acceleration that launches you from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4.2 seconds, while an advanced dynamic handling pack ensures the physics of the ride remain razor-sharp, raw, and incredibly engaging. Now, let us transition directly to my definitive tactical verdict on this machine. When you look at the automotive industry in the mid-2020s, It is completely flooded with hyperdigitized, over-engineered electric appliances that often strip away the emotional connection between driver and tarmac. So, does the Midsummer Coupe definitively prove that Morgan is advancing its corporate engineering capabilities without losing its historical soul? My answer is an absolute, triumphant yes. By entering into a direct collaborative alliance with Pininfarina, Morgan did not simply build a limited edition variant, they masterfully demonstrated how a heritage manufacturer can use advanced digital scanning, aerodynamic modeling, and modern powertrain calibration to elevate traditional coach building into a highly sophisticated, modern technology discipline. Limited to a hyper-exclusive run of just 9 individualized customer units worldwide, every single one of which was sold long before the public reveal, this vehicle stands as a monument to what can be achieved when a brand fully embraces its historical craftsmanship while relentlessly expanding its technical boundaries. It is rare, it is beautiful, and from an engineering perspective, it is an absolute masterpiece. If you want to stay completely ahead of the global premium automotive evolution and trace the front lines of true bespoke manufacturing, hit that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now. Drop your raw analytical thoughts in the comments below. Has Morgan created the ultimate modern classic GT? Or is the price of entry simply too elite? I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the very next technical breakdown.